Let's talk about the purpose of white space in System Verilog. While it might seem like just empty space, it actually plays an important role in how code is structured and interpreted. White space serves two main purposes. Number one, it separates words so that the compiler can correctly recognize them. And it improves readability so developers can easily understand the code. Let's look at an example. White space is important to distinguish between keywords and identifiers. Take this line of code, module, space, top, semicolon. Here, the space between module and top allows the compiler to correctly identify them as separate elements. Without the space, the compiler wouldn't know where the keyword ends and the identifier begins, which would lead to a syntax error. Now, what actually counts as white space in System Verilog? It includes spaces, tabs, new lines, and in some cases, even end of file markers. While these may not affect how the code executes, they make a big difference in how it is structured and understood. For instance, in the following declaration, white space separates logic from A, ensuring that A is correctly recognized as variable. However, between A, B, and C, white space is optional because the commas already act as separators. This means you could write A comma space, B comma space, C, and it would still work the same way. So while white space isn't always required, using it effectively makes your code much easier to read and maintain, especially in larger designs. A well-structured code base with clear spacing helps both you and others understand the logic at a glance.